What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we're gonna teach you the song called Easily by Bruno Major. Alright, let's start. So let's start. We do it like 2/8, 2/8, okay? So this one is very easy. So it goes like, what's the first step? Yes. So it goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Side 1 up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go 1. Again. I forgot already. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Side 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, from here, next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3. Go 1, 2, 3. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So easy. One more time. 7 and 1, 2, 3. Push. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Look. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. Alright, the next one is floor. Next, so from 1, 2, 3, we're gonna go down. 1, 2, 3. Go 1, 2, 3. So go down. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's continue. Go 1. This is 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Stop. So count 1, 2, 3. Then down. 1, 2, 3. Until here. So from here, last 1, 2, go down on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Continue. So we cheat. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Sit down on 1, 2. This is 3. Arch back. 1, 2, 3. Recover. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Walk, turn around. 1, 2, 3. Good job. That's very easy. You just repeat the video so you get this one. Let's start from the beginning first. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Head. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Stop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Stop. Then down. You will hear cha. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Recover. 2. Sit. Up. 2. Turn around. 1, 2, 3. Next. So after you turn, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have you know, I know, 7, and you stop, I stop. Then down 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the recover is 6 counts. One more time. After you turn, 6, 7, and you know, I know. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, just walk. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On the last 2 8s, I think 2 8s. Go up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. Go 1. Stop. Then finish. Up. Yes. Good job. Let's try them again from turn 6, 7. You know. You know. Aha. Aha. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just cross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. Up the back of your head. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. Go 1. Look. And up. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Every time I look at her, she's fixing something. Here we go. By the way, she's Barbie hair. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Push. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. And down. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Recover. 1, 2. Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Here we go. You know. Drop. I know. 1, 6 count. 1, 2. Cross. 1, 2, 3. 1. Head back. Side. Down. Close. Head. And up. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that mistake. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Bye bye!